Hi friends, let's see how to use eyebrow razor. Let's start. So today I use this product, eyebrow razor, and I really like it because being mom, I have no time to take care of myself actually. But with this thick eyebrow, to have a shape of eyebrow, right? So I use this. I'm really happy. It gave me some shape on my eyebrow, and in future I'll use this, and you can also try once and see how it comes and let me know in my comment box, and the link will be in the description box. You can see it also there. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, Lazy Wife World. Bye.